It's June 11th, and we've got a massive day. At least 5 filings worth your attention, led by a significant 5 auto parts acquisition and Akio Toyota exiting a board.
Plus a regional bank reinventing itself and T&D selling a life insurer to PayPay. Let's get into it.
Hilux, ticker 7279, acquired Mitsui Kinzoku Act, now Hilux Act, and booked a jaw-dropping 28 billion yen bargain purchase gain. Net income went from 1.8 billion to 35 billion.
The acquisition adds door latches as a whole new product category, but strip out that one-time gain and the legacy business only grew 3% with operating profit down 40%. Short-term borrowings quadrupled to fund this.
And America's operating profit fell 41%, semiconductor supply cuts and Mexican peso headwinds. Korea also dropped hard.
Toyota Industries, 6902. Akio Toyota is off the board. But the bigger story is the 400 Pintes, 50 billion cross-shareholding unwind, selling stakes in Acing, JKECT, Honda, and Toyota Industries itself.
They redirected that capital. A 33 billion yen strategic investment in Rome for semiconductor supply security, and a 313 billion buyback. Segments got restructured too. Semiconductor elevated to standalone status.
They also abolished the Jitsumu career track, 99% women, and added U.S. tariffs as an explicit risk factor.
T&D 8795 is selling 85% of T&D Financial Life to PayPay for about 100 yen 60 billion yen, going from 3 domestic pillars to 2.
Simultaneously, they bought 30% of Germany's Viridium Group for a 116 billion yen, a closed-book life insurer, plus a new U.S. asset management subsidiary and a dividend shift from DOE 4% to a 60% payout ratio.
That's a decisive pivot. Domestic shrinkage, international expansion, more aggressive capital return. Concordia Financial Group is now Yokohama Financial Group, 7186. They moved 696 employees from subsidiaries to the parent. Headcount went from 5 to 701.
New midterm plan targets ROE above 9%, up from 6%. CET1 target lowered to 11% to free capital. They acquired LF Asset Finance and a stake in AI fintech Millilise. Also added romance scams and SNS investment fraud as explicit top risks.
JPX, 8697. New midterm plan targets 20% ROE for 3 consecutive years, and payout ratio now 60% or more. Operating revenue up 22.5%.
They also abolished Class B shares, launched currency and pocket commodity futures, and announced a J-Gate system renewal for 2028. But a former TSE employee was indicted for insider trading. They're monitoring recurrence prevention.
Cross-shareholding unwinds, bargain purchases, and Kirit, Geiritsu exits. Japan's capital allocation story keeps accelerating.
Watch for Hilux's integration execution and whether T&D's European bet actually delivers. Tomorrow we'll see what else lands.